A Reuben is a classic of the Jewish deli, so what do you do if you want one without the cow? Use a sweet potato. To start, chop a plump sweet potato down the middle and then make another cut, wide enough so you're left with a thick sweet potato patty. Add your spices to a baking dish. I'm using smoked paprika, sweet paprika, cayenne pepper, freshly ground black pepper, cumin, and garlic, and mix it all together like you're painting a third grade art project. Give the patties a pinch of kosher salt on both sides and then drizzle some olive oil. That's probably more than I needed, but like a COVID-filled sneeze, you can't take that back. Rub the spices in again before putting them in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 literally everywhere else in the world for about 45 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Meanwhile, you can prep your sandwich bread. Like the sweet potato, I like to go down the plump middle of the challah so I can get some thick slices. When they're ready, the sweet potatoes will be tender like my general self-esteem. Take them out and turn your oven to the broiler at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 unit of measurement that makes sense. Toast both sides of your bread and start building your Reuben with your sweet potato and a couple slices of cheese. Put it back underneath the broiler for 30 seconds to a minute, just until that cheese is melty like Dolly's clocks. Add your pickles, I'm using red onions, and then a healthy dollop of horseradish spice Russian dressing before closing up your Reuben. To finish it off, move your camera to the smoosh view and push it down like I do my anxieties about what we're all doing here on this spinning blue marble seemingly lost in the void of space. Give it a cut down the middle and let your Reuben smile for the camera. Have your own veggie Reuben or thoughts on what we're doing in the void? Leave a comment below as I figure out how to properly use my new ring light so I look less like a murderer about to confess.